Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft is also busy rolling out the next optional bug fix update for the original release of Windows 11 version 21H2, and the update is KB5030301. And when that does roll out and you do decide to install it, because it's optional, and if you decide to install it, the build will be bumped up to 22,000.2479 or somewhere in that point release's immediate vicinity. Now, it's currently rolling out to insiders in the release preview channel, which means it's in its final steps and stages of testing before it rolls out to the general public, and is more or less the exact same update that I posted on a little bit earlier today that is also going to be rolling out for version 22H2. Now, it does also include one new feature of the two rolling out to version 22H2. And just to mention this for the purpose of the video, the update completes the work to comply with the GB 18030-2022 requirements. It removes and remaps characters for Microsoft Ruby input and Microsoft Pinion U-Mode input. And apparently the issue was that you could no longer enter character code points that were no longer supported. And with this update now, and this improvement, all the required code points are up to date. So that's the only so-called new feature rolling out with 5030301. Now, as mentioned, very similar to the 22H2 update. So it also updates the daylight saving time in Greenland. There's issues that have been addressed that were affecting sharing an Excel file as a PDF in Outlook. Issues that were affecting forwarding of events, and Microsoft Defender apparently was stopping some USB printers from printing. So very similar, but go check that other video out if you would like some more info, and I'll actually leave that down below. Now, something else I want to bring your attention to, and one of the main reasons I'm actually posting this video for this optional bug fix update, is that if we head to the calendar, and I have mentioned this previously, this update will be rolling out on the 26th of September. So that's basically in just over a week's time. And this is the last optional bug fix update rolling out for Windows 11 version 21H2. So after September the 26th this year, 2023, there will no longer be optional non-security preview releases for Windows 11, the original release. So just take note of that. Only cumulative monthly security updates will continue for the supported versions of Windows 11 version 21H2, according to Microsoft, which brings me to my next point. So, number one, last optional bug fix update running out. And if we head back to the calendar and we move into October, which will be the 10th of October, that's the Patch Tuesday security update that will be rolling out for Windows. And just take note, though, that some versions of Windows 11 version 21H2, which will be Home, Pro, Pro Education, and Pro for Workstation, will reach end of service on this date, October the 10th, 2023. So that will be the last security update that version 21H2 will receive. So basically, it will end support. So just take note of those two key points. The last optional bug fix will be rolling out on the 26th, and the last security update will be rolling out on the 10th of October. So some important things to consider if you are still running the original release. So time to start upgrading to a newer version like version 22H2. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.